Ever wondered who actually pays for your credit card rewards? Do you want to make sure you are not the one who is paying for them and win this battle which is rigged against you? Well, this video is for you. Hi guys, Alex here. This is the Financial Pickle, and today we're looking at how credit cards can offer sometimes ridiculous rewards and how to make sure you are not the one who is paying for them. Let's find out. First, let's figure out how credit card companies actually make their money. There are two ways. Number one, they are charging shops and merchants that sell you things a percentage for each transaction. And number two, they're charging you, the customer. That can be interest payment fees, late payment fees, the currency exchanges, and whatever other fees they can come up with to charge you. A good question to ask is, do they actually make a lot of money from merchant fees? Well, here's a stat for you. American Express in 2019 pocketed $26 billion from merchant fees alone. And out of that, they spent $10 billion on the rewards to their card members. So the maths clearly adds up. Next thing you want to keep in mind is that merchants actually get charged a much higher rate for rewards credit cards than for other credit cards, and especially for debit cards. An example being that a rewards credit card can charge upwards of 3% per transaction, plus some fixed cost like a 10p for each transaction. And a standard credit card can charge like 1 or 1.5%, plus some small standing charge as well for each transaction. So the difference can be as much as 2 times between the rewards credit card and the standard credit card. Another stat that you probably didn't know is that a very small percentage of you actually hit the like button and leave a comment in the section below. So if you can, please do that. I would love it. And moving to the next topic. Yeah. For those of you familiar with credit cards, you probably say, just don't roll over your balance to the next month. Just do it! And you don't have to pay any interest fees. Pay your balance on time, don't pay late fees, and suddenly the credit card for you is absolutely free. Well, while that may be the case for some of you, the research has shown that over 44% of credit card holders roll over their balance to the next month. And knowing there is at least $1 trillion going through credit cards every quarter, you can imagine what 44% of that rolls over times by the average percentage that is charged on a credit card, which is around 2% per month. You can see how much money the credit card companies actually make. It's ridiculous. For example, Discover in 2018 got a stunning $8 billion in interest charges alone. Now is a good time to ask, how does the cashback actually work? Because credit card companies are literally giving you money into your account. Well, there are two ways. Number one, they're splitting the fee they charge the merchant with you. So for example, you go and pay with your rewards credit card somewhere, a merchant has to pay, say, 3%, and the credit card company gives you back 1.5%, 2%, whatever it may be, of this transaction. Not bad, because credit card company still pockets the 1% or sometimes 2%, so it's good for them. Number two is there is a small print. Always the small print. The amount of cashback is usually capped at a ridiculous number. Sometimes it is $1,500 a year. That means no matter how much money you will spend, even if it's $2 million, you will only receive a maximum of $1,500 in cashback. And companies know that on average, well, 44% of people carry their balance to the next month. The average salary is somewhere around $3,000 per month. They know that you will not get anywhere close to $1,500, and they know that you, more likely than not, will pay back for this reward with your interest payments, with late payment fees, with currency exchange, or any other fee that will throw on top of you if you're not careful with your credit card. So in the end of the day, the answer to the question who pays for your credit card rewards is you. People who don't know how to use credit cards are sponsoring the rewards of the people that do know how to use them. Question is, how do you get the rewards without paying for these rewards yourself or even paying more than you have to? Well, there are 3 simple rules you have to follow. Number 1, get a free credit card. This way you're not paying for it and you're not contributing towards your own rewards. But depending on your personal finance skill level, you might find a credit card which costs you money, but the rewards that you get with it, knowing your spending habits, you will be able to get this money back and earn some money on top of it in terms of rewards without paying paying any interest fees or other sort of things. Number 2, do not roll over your balance to the next month. Just close it the same month and make sure you close it on time so you don't pay any late penalty fees. This way you're not paying interest rate and you're making sure that the rewards that you get with your card are actually rewards, instead of you are trying to win back a small portion of money that you spent with the fees that you paid for the credit card. And number 3 is a clever hack how you can withdraw money from your credit card or pay in different currencies without incurring any additional fees. The answer is Curve. It's an amazing fintech startup which allows you to add a credit card, except Amex obviously, to the system, and then you have a Curve card that you pay with, but you choose the credit card that you're paying with through Curve. This way the credit card company thinks you're just spending money at a merchant and they are not charging you for ATM withdrawals because they don't know that you withdraw money with ATM, and they are not charging you interest rate because the interest change is covered by Curve with their direct MasterCard exchange rate, so it makes sure that you get the best rate possible without paying any additional fees. Link in the description below if that sounds interesting. I for one love Curve and use it all the time when I go abroad or if I need to withdraw cash for whatever reason from my credit card. The other option that you have is Timid credit card that allows you to split money over a 3-month period without paying any fees. It's absolutely amazing. Direct exchange rate as well, and you can withdraw it up to £200 per month or 200 of the local currency equivalent without any fees, and you can split the money over 3 months as well. Absolutely amazing startup, amazing credit card. I absolutely love it. So if that sounds interesting, link in the description as well, and you will get 15 quid for signing up for a card. And I will also get 15 quid. So thank you very much for helping the channel grow. This has been it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know in the comment section below what you think. I would love to know your opinion. I would love it. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.
We gotta make them right. Chillin' with mine. We triple up, they on a double up. Triple dub. Came from the basement, we only going up. They loving us. Up in the booth, I'm getting dizzy, but they the cup is up. Toast to my people that's on the come up, and you live with us.